Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to safely debloat Windows 11 to improve gaming performance and boost FPS. First, press the Windows key and type Settings, then open it. Go to Apps, then Installed Apps. Look through the list and uninstall apps you never use, like pre-installed games, trial apps, or apps from the manufacturer. Click the three dots next to an app and choose Uninstall. Do not remove system apps like the Microsoft Store or anything you are unsure about. Next, go back to Settings, then Apps, then Startup. Turn off apps that start with Windows but are not needed for gaming, such as chat apps, launchers you do not use, or update helpers. This helps your system use less RAM and CPU when you play games. Now press Windows key plus R, type services.m as C and press Enter. Scroll down and look for services like Xbox Live Auth Manager, Xbox Live Game Save, and Xbox Networking Service if you do not use Xbox features. Double-click each one, set Startup type to Disabled, then click Stop and Apply. Do not disable random services. Only change the ones you recognize. Next, press Windows key plus X and open Windows Terminal as admin. Copy and paste this command and press Enter. This removes many built-in apps that run in the background. It does not remove the Microsoft Store. Finally, restart your computer. Thanks for watching.